Okay, so I have here 5 problems for your shaftings. Okay? So ito yung book ni Bautista. So, let us start with problem number 1. A solid steel shaft whose SY is, okay? SY is, okay? Okay, 280 MPa and SU is 0.380 MPa. Is used to transmit 320 kilowatts of power at 850 RPM. You determine the shaft diameter. Sir, ang dami bang dadaanan yan para makuha mo yung shaft diameter? Yes, medyo marami. Kasi hahanapin mo muna yung kanyang torque at babasihan mo yung shear stress. Commonly, saan may babase yung shear stress? Yung shear stress is equal to your design stress. Okay? Pwedeng kumuha ka isa dito sa SU or SY. But we need, wala ka naman binigay dito na factor of safety para pagbasihan natin. So we will base our assumption on the ultimate strength. Okay? Yung SU na 380 MPa. Let us start first. Ganito ang solving niyan. Okay, for number 1. For number 1. So, power, pagkakalam natin is T. Okay, T and divide by factor. Hanapin muna natin si torque. Okay? So, reform natin to equation ng T is equal to power times the factor divide by N. So, let us solve for T. So, ang power natin dyan is 320 kilowatts. Times yun ng N. What is N? 850 RPM. Divide by... Oh, sorry. Nasa baba dapat. Nasa baba dapat. That is 9549123 Newton millimeter RPM every kilowatt. Okay, divide natin nung RPM na 850. Canceling all same units. Yung kilowatt, RPM. Ang lalabas is Newton millimeter. This will become, calculate the value, 320 times 9549123 divide by 850. So, store natin to kay A. This is 3594917.65 Newton mm. So, ra-round up ko lang pero i-store ko yung exact value kay A. Okay? So, pupunta tayo dito sa SU. What if yung SU mo kasi, SD is equal to 0.5 to 0.6 ng SU. Okay? Tandaan nyo yan. If walang binigay na design stress. So, let us try. This will become 0.6. Try ko na lang. 0.6 SU maximum equal to 16T over pi d cube. Ang kailangan ko lang dito is d cube. Okay? So, d cube equal to 16t over pi 0.6 SU. So, 16 times torque. That is stored kay A. Ang unit niya is Newton millimeter. Divide by pi times 0.6. Yung SU mo is 380 MPa. 380 Newton per millimeter squared. Okay, cube root natin to. Cube root. Cancel all same units. Newton. Matitira si mm. Therefore, D is equal to, let us try. Yan. Tapos, 16, recall natin si A. Divide by 0.6 pi times 380. So, the answer is 43.14. Try nga natin kung tama. 40.3. Okay, 43.14. 14 mm. Okay? So, what if 0.5 ang ginamit ko? Try ko nga kung 0.5, tatama ako dyan. I think malaking value. 45. What if ang ginamit ko naman is yung 280? Laging half. So, the answer is 50. Lalaki lang yung value niya. Kaya hindi pwede. So, 0.6 nga. 0.6 times 380. Okay, this is 43.14. I don't know how it came to this value. Okay? Solid steel shaft. Okay. So, how about number 2? Number 2. A line shaft has a diameter of 55 mm when its speed is 480 RPM. If the shaft stress is 40 MPa, determine the shaft power transmitted. O, basic to kapag tinignan mo yung keyword, line shaft. The keyword is line shaft. Sir, meron tayong PSME formula. Let me remind you yung PSME formula. PSME formula. Kapag main power transmitting shaft, okay, the power is equal to D cube and divide by 80. Kapag line shaft, it is, power is D cube and divide by 53.5. Tapos kapag short shaft, this is equal to P D cube n over 38. Okay? So, papasok tayo sa line shaft. Let us try first yung line shaft. Kung direct substitution ba yun nandito. Okay? So, line shaft, diameter, nagbigay naman ng 480 RPM. Let me check first. Okay? So, power. Since line shaft siya, yung diameter ko is, i-translate ko muna or convert ko ng inches. So, naka-inch to inch and RPM. Ang lalabas dyan is in HP. So, this will become 55 divided by 25.4. Sir, bakit ganon? Kasi 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. Para diretsyo ng inch siya. Cube. Tapos yung N ko is 480 RPM. Tapos yung factor ko dito is 53.5. Take note, ang lalabas dito is in HP. Kaya you need to multiply it with 0.746 kilowatt every HP. So, calculate. $55 divided by 25.4. Tapos you raise it with 3. And then, multiply it with 480 times 0.746. Divide it with 53.5. So, the answer is in kilowatts, 65.68 kilowatts. Medyo malayo. 67.96 kilowatts. Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yung solution niya. But, nandun na yung keyword line shaft. So, we can try, take note, we can try using the shaft stress. Another thing to check. Okay? shaft stress is 40 MPa. Ano ba yung stress natin? Stress is equal to 16T over pi d cube. Makukuha natin si T kasi meron tayong stress, meron tayong D. Okay? So, let us go with torque. Torque is equal to S pi d cube divided by 16. Okay na yan. Diba we say that power is equal to Tn over factor? Pwede bang isalpak ko dito yung value ni torque? Okay? So, this will become S pi d cube N divided by 16 times factor. Try natin kung may makuha tayong sagot dito. So, P is equal to 40 MPa. 40 Newton per millimeter squared times pi times 55 mm cube divided by 16 times 9549123 Newton millimeter RPM every kilowatt. Kailangan ko is kilowatt. Cancel all same units. Millimeter squared. Millimeter, may matitirang isa. Yung isa makancel mo sa baba. Newton, Newton. Kulang pa ng RPM na 480. Cancel RPM, ang natira is kilowatt. So, let us calculate. 40 pi times 55 cube, okay, times 480, sa baba is 16 times 9549123, 65.68 kilowatts. Tama ba dun sa choices natin? Sa stress niya, binase. Sa stress niya, binase. Okay? Hindi niya binasiyan yung PSME formula. No. Nasa choices, check mo. Okay? Kaya nga may choices, binigay niya yung tamang answer for us to follow yung proper way of solving. Okay? Although may binigay na line shaft, ibig sabihin, hindi pala direktang ipapasok natin doon sa PSME formula. We should follow yung process na binigyan ka ng stress, binigyan ka ng size, you solve first for the following given. Okay? Next problem. 3. Ito na naman, a short shaft has a diameter of 60 mm and delivers 120 kilowatts of power. Find the shaft speed. Okay, dito muna ako. Hindi ko sinabing short shaft kagagamitin mo. What if we try for number 3, dito muna sa power. May stress given ka ba dito? Wala. Pero meron kang power. You'll get the torque. Okay, power. May diameter ka. Wala kang stress. So, didiretso ka kagad sa short shaft. Diba? Kulang ka ng Kulang ka ng stress. Wala kang stress. So, punta ka kagad dito short shaft. Ano bang formula for short shaft? For short shaft, P is D cube N divided by 38. Ang kukunin mo is N. So, N is equal to 38P divided by D cube. Kailangan naka-English lahat. 38. Yung power ko dito is 120 kilowatts. Gawin kong HP. So, 120 kilowatt times 1 HP divided by 0.746 kilowatt divide by D cube. Ano yung size natin dyan? That is 60 mm. Gawin mong inch. 60 divided by 25.4 inch cube. So, let us say the value for RPM. So, 38 times 120 divided by 0.746. Okay, divide by 60 divided by 25.4 raised to the third power. The answer is 463.74 RPM. So, pwede palang direkta ka if wala na mga given katulad ng stress. Diba? If may stress, you will follow yung solving para sa stress. If wala, you will follow yung given na empirical formula for the code. PSME code. Okay? So, for number 4, a main shaft. Okay? Tandaan nyo, main shaft muli. Main shaft has a diameter of 3.5 inch and the speed of 630 RPM. Calculate the possible power that the shaft can deliver. Main shaft, main power transmitting shaft, MPTS. So, dito tayo agad sa PSME formula. For MPTS, power is ND cube divided by 80. So, yung N natin is 630 RPM, 3.5 inch. 630, kahit wag nyo nang lagyan ng unit, 3.5 cube divided by 80 equal to 630 times 3.5 cube. Okay? Tapos 80. So, the answer is, direct sub, sana ganyan ang mga exam parate. 337.64 HP. O, di pag ganyan ang exam, engineer ka kagad. Diba? So, for number 5, okay, a 3-inch diameter, okay, 3-inch diameter line shaft is mounted with 18-inch diameter pulley and transmits 130 HP. Find the tangential speed for the shaft. Okay? So, bibigyan ka ng N. Okay, N. Anong hinahanap? Tangential speed or the linear velocity. Okay? Linear velocity ang hinahanap sa'yo. V. Ano bang formula for V? Pi d N. Okay? Pi d N. So, anong gagamitin mo dito? Yung 18-inch diameter ba? Ang hinahanap lang naman is the tangential speed on the shaft. Tandaan nyo, yung tangential speed on the shaft is equal to the tangential speed on the pulley. Okay? So, what is the B on shaft? That is pi times diameter ng shaft and on the shaft equal to pi diameter ng pulley rotational speed on the pulley. Okay? Tandaan nyo, not equal yung rotational speed ng pulley sa rotational speed ng the shaft. It is not equal. Pero maka-cancel natin si pi. Kaya d s over dp is equal to n p over ns. Anong tawag mo dito? You call this on machine elements as speed ratio. Ay, nakalimutan na. Okay? So, we can solve. Anong binigay dito? Line shaft. Meron kang power. Hahanapin mo si N. Okay? For line shaft, P is equal to N d cube divided by 53.5. Kailangan ko si N. N will be equal to 53.5 P divided by d cube. Okay. So, 53.5, okay, times the power. What is the power? 130 HP. 130. Alam naman natin ang lalabas dito na, na unit is RPM. So, 3 cube RPM. Okay? Ayan. So, calculate. So, 53.5 times 130 divide by 3 cube or 27. Okay? So, store natin to kay A. This will become equal to 257.5926 RPM. Ang kailangan ko is the tangential speed on the shaft. So this is pi, diameter ng shaft, N. Ng shaft. This will become pi. Ano yung diameter ng shaft? That is 3 inch. Times NS. 257.5926. Okay, RPM. Ang kailangan ko dito is, anong unit? Meter per second. Naka-inch per minute ako dito. So, yan natin, multiply natin. You have inch. 1 inch every 2.54 cm. And then you have 1 meter every 100 cm. Times, naka-minute. 1 minute every 60 seconds. Calculate the value. Nakastore kay A, 3, shift, pi. Recall natin si A. Times 2.54. Okay, divide by 100 times 60. So, the answer is 1 point. Sir, bakit nanging ganon? Ba't ganyan yung answer? Okay? So, parang ang nangyari dito is, kinuha niya yung 18. Try natin hindi si 3. Times mo ng 18. Dapat ang tinanong niya dito is the tangential speed of the, hindi shaft, pulley. Okay? Ito tangential speed ng shaft. Sa pulley, BS is equal to pi, diameter ng pulley, NS ng shaft. Okay? Speed ng shaft. So, this is pi times 18 inch times A, RPM to, times 2.54 cm divided by 1 inch. Okay? Times 1 meter per 100 cm times 1 minute over 60 seconds. Cancel all same units. Inch, inch, minute, minute, cm, cm, meter per second lalabas. So, this will become, eto na yung sagot to, 6.1665 meter every second. O, divide natin ng 3. Anong 6? O, yan yung sagot kanina dito. Pag diameter ng pulley. Okay, diameter of the pulley. Diameter of the shaft. Ang gamit. 1.028 meter every second. Okay, that is basic.